On this show, we bring true stories from the courtroom, justice, strategy, and the humanity behind high-stake trials.
You know, Chris, I started at the public defender's office for the first 5 years, and I've gotten into all kinds of debates with other lawyers about this, but I really believe that working at the public defender's office is probably the best training ground for any young lawyer that wants to practice criminal law, whether you're going to end up being in private practice or a prosecutor. I think it's just the best place to start. So I got most of my training there, early training, and then I went to private practice for about 10 years. And then I went to the prosecutor's office to do homicide cases for 9 years. And then my wife and I started the Samati law firm, which is where I'm at now for about the last 5 years. And I'm enjoying it tremendously. But yeah, been on both sides of the fence, seen the good, the bad, and the ugly.
So, what do you think people misunderstand most about what you do?
Everything. You know, I think that criminal defense lawyers, we're looked at by most people as somebody else's problem. That they're never going to get charged with a crime. Their family's never going to be charged with a crime. Their kids are never going to be charged with a crime. So it's something that's going to happen to somebody else. It's never going to happen to me. And then I get those types of people come in my office and their child is charged with a crime or they're charged. And it's, why do they have to spend the night in jail? How can they be arrested just on probable cause? Why is discovery taking this long? How can the judge let them get away? This is ruining my life. This has gone on for a year and a half. This is so unfair. But they never had a clue. And they don't really know what we do except show up on TV when we lose. And they don't really understand anything about it until it happens to them or someone close to them.
I agree with that 100%.